Yo, how y'all doing, Peralta students? My name is Corey Hollis. I'm a staff assistant with the Distance Education Department at Peralta District, and I'm going to show you how to forward your Peralta email to your personal email so that you can catch correspondence from your teachers and stuff like that on your Gmail account, right? Or whatever account that you have, Yahoo, whatever. Most people got Gmail, I think. Oh, doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. So to start, I wanted to show you all where I came across the information to discover how to do this in the first place, right? So I'm going to go in here in this Google search. Actually, no, not there. Let me go up here. It'll be a lot easier. Laney.edu. It already finds itself. But I'm going to go to the Laney website. And from here in the search bar, you type in forwarding emails. At the top, you'll see this little link here, forwarding your Peralta email to your personal email. And from here, it should give you a quick 1, 2, 3 step on how to forward your Peralta email to your personal email. So that's where you find the information. Now I'm going to show you how to do the information, right? Okay, so I'm going to use this same site. I'm going to type in Peralta Portal. Yeah, welcome to Peralta Portal here. And I'm going to sign in as faculty staff because I am staff. All right, so I'm type in my password. And I'm going to go here to my Outlook. And I'm in. So from here, I'm going to go over here to this top right side. There's this nut thing in the corner, and we'll click on this. Drop down all the way to the bottom where it's your app settings, and I'm going to click on mail. From here, I'm going to travel all the way to the left side, and from accounts here, a little below that, you'll see forwarding. And this is the area of which you will be placing your email account. So you can stop forwarding emails if you want and you don't want to send emails to anything, or you can start forwarding your emails to whatever account you want or choose to use. I'm going to go with this one. Once you get done typing in your email address, you're going to come up here, click save, and voila. Your Peralta emails will be going to your personal email account. Forwarded. So, hopefully this helps you in your endeavors in your educational journey. So, I'm going to sign off here and wish you well for your semesters. Have a nice day.